Also, we're gonna have our Tri5 this year in Malaysia from 14 July all the way until 20th July. You want to see all these amazing MX-5? Join us if you are an MX-5 owner. Join us. Miata is always the answer. We're gonna start from Kluang to Desaru to JB, and we're gonna go all the way to Singapore, ending in Sepang. Join us. Wherever you're from, come join us. Doesn't matter where, you don't have to join for the full leg, you can just join for one day. We're going down to JB, join us at JB for one day, come makan with us, drive with us. You don't have to come for the entire leg because, you know, I don't think I'll be there. But if you see me, I buy you ice cream. Confirm, promise. And any of them will buy you ice cream, so. Okay, bye! Why should people join Tri5?
Why not?
Well, you should join Tri5 because it's the gathering of the mega gathering of MX-5 all around the continents here.
So, Tri5.
Because we like the company and because of the 30th anniversary.
You're all joining, right?
Yes.
Inshallah.
So will you go again if you got?
Yes, definitely.
Why ah?
Depends on my boss. He has to approve my leave first.
Because if boss go, then
Because if you own an MX-5, Tri5 is the place that you meet all the people from ASEAN countries. We have people from Thailand, we have people from Philippines, Singapore, of course Malaysia. See you.
What's your most memorable time from Tri5?
Oh, when my car got spoiled and then everyone top down the hot sun. My group, yeah, just for me.
Miata is always the answer.
Miata is always the answer. Miata is always the answer. Miata is always the answer. Because Miata is always the answer.